Hello everyone. Today you have a good lesson about AI. So please be with us. We are going to start the lesson for today. My name is Shirak Bonigaba. So today we are going to start our lesson. We are not competing with AI. We are competing with the people who know how to use artificial intelligence, AI. So in every revolution, people worry that the machine will replace them. But today, that fear is half true. Because the real threat isn't replacing you. It's another person. AI is like another person. Someone, your age, your job, your industry, who knows how to use AI better than you. This is the new competition. And in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why. Let me tell you again, we are not competing with AI. We are competing with the people who know how to use AI. Something changed in the world, and many people didn't notice. We closed in line, a quiet one, where skills stopped being the differentiators, and the tool mastery became the ultimate currency. We used to say knowledge is power. Today, knowledge is everywhere. The ability to use it is a power. Two people with the same job can now produce widely different results. Not because one is smart, not because one is working hard, but because one knows how to use AI as a force multiplier. Farmers switching from hand tools to tractors, typists transitioning to computers. This isn't new. AI, it's not new. The printing press didn't replace writers. Cameras didn't replace artists. Computers didn't replace accountants. But people who mastered those tools, they rose faster and more and shaped the future. AI is simply the fastest, largest, most powerful version of this pattern, the productivity gaps. Let's talk numbers. In the last year alone, companies using AI tools reported productivity improvement of 20 to 70%. That's not incremental, that's a chasm, a gap that grows wider every month. Marketing team, a digital marketer annually creating a campaign and a marketer using AI. Let me tell you a story of two people. Sarah, a digital marketer, takes 3 days, just 3 days, to build a campaign. But John, who uses AI, does it in 3 hours and runs 5 variations at once. Same role, same job, radically different output. Let us talk about AI in education. A student writing manually and a student writing using AI for research, structure, and feedback. Or take education. 2 students study for an exam. One read PDF for hours, the other ask AI to explain, summarize, quiz, and visualize concepts. One is learning, the other is accelerating. The AI enabled the human futuristic interface showing a person surrounded by AI assistant, writing, analyzing, brainstorming. So what does it mean? It's actually look like when a person knows how to use AI well. Let me show you. For example, a chief preparing ingredients quickly with assistance, a collapse time. What used to take hours become a minute, and a minute become a second. You can analyze documents, learn new skills, summarize books, and generate ideas. A person juggling different jobs with the AI icon floating around, writing, designing, coding, strategy. You become a marketer who can do or who can code, a designer who can write, a manager who can analyze the data. AI turns specialists into hybrids. AI can give you a confidence. AI gives you clarity, and the clarity gives you confidence. This isn't science fiction. This is what people are doing right now. The new competition. Imagine you are running a race. The person next to you isn't faster. They are just wearing better shoes. That's AI. And the people who know how to use it, they are not running, they are flying. A filmmaker told me something shocking me. He said, I used to do 2 projects a month. Now, using AI tools for cuts, captions, color grading, I can produce 10 and the quality is the same or better. He didn't hire assistants, he became the assistant. Using AI tool, a small business owner using AI tool to write, produce description, generate images, answer customer emails, and analyze trends. Her revenue doubled in 9 months, not because she worked more hours, but because she learned to apply AI like a team she couldn't afford. This is the new competition. Think AI as a river. Some people fear it, some admire it from the shore, some complain that it's moving too fast. But a small group, they jump in, they learn to swim, and eventually they use the current to move faster than anyone else. The river doesn't care who you are. It only cares if you know how to swim. So how to become AI competitive? Let's get practical. The exact step to become the kind of person others will not replace. Learn prompting like a language. Prompts transforming into output like magic. Prompting is not typing. Prompting is directing. It's a communication. So let's learn the pattern. Role prompting, step-by-step prompting, refinement prompting, personal prompting, example-led prompting. The better you ask, the better your results. Whether you are a designer, a student, lawyer, marketer, developer, a teacher, AI can automate 20 up to 50 of your tasks. Map your workflow, identify the slow parts, train AI to assist with them. How to become a hybrid? An icon imaging, writing plus coding, design plus analytics. AI lets you pick up adjacent skills. Copywriters learn design. Designers learn strategy. Manager, they learn data analysis. You become a person who can do what used to require a team. Learn at 10 times speed. Ask AI to teach you like you are a beginner. Building a competitive portfolio, even if you don't have experience, AI lets you create proof of skills. You can build apps, create designs, launch websites, prototype ideas. The portfolio becomes your credibility. A person opening a door to a bright. AI is changing fast. Tools comes and go. But curiosity, the desire to explore, that's what keeps you ahead. The moment you stopped learning, someone else started. The future belongs to the augmented. Advantage of people using AI in creative ways. The future doesn't belong to AI. It's belong to the augmented human creativity with a competition. A world where person can do the work of 10 and the 10 can build what once required 1,000. This is not a threat, it's an invitation. Hey brothers, sisters, ladies, gentlemen, this is the final message to you as a lesson. So remember this, we are not, or you are not, competing with AI. You are competing with the people who use AI better than you. The future is not waiting, but it's available. And it's available to those who choose to pick up the tools for tomorrow. Thank you. You are welcome. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to our channel, Dreams 2050. You are welcome.